Hey there, English learners! Do you ever feel nervous about starting a conversation with a stranger? You're not alone. But here's the good news. It's easier than you think. In today's video, I'll show you how to start a conversation naturally with short, simple English phrases you can use in real life. Let's get into it! Easy ways to start a conversation. So, how do you talk to someone you don't know? Here are 3 simple ways. Number 1. Make an observation. Number 2. Ask a friendly question. And number 3. Introduce yourself. Let's look at them one by one. First, try making an observation. This means you look around and talk about something happening near you, something both you and the other person can see or experience. For example, if you're waiting in line, you can say, "Wow, this line is moving pretty slowly." Or if you're at a coffee shop, you might say, "That coffee smells amazing. Have you tried it before?" These small comments are great conversation starters because they feel natural and not too personal. Second, ask a friendly question. This is a polite and simple way to show interest in the other person. Questions like, "Are you from around here?" or "Is this seat taken?" are very common in everyday conversations. You can also ask for a recommendation like, "Do you know any good places to eat nearby?" People are usually happy to help and talk when you ask a friendly question. And finally, just introduce yourself. This is a confident way to start a conversation, especially at events, meetups, or social gatherings. You can simply say, "I don't think we've met. I'm Jason." And the other person will usually respond with their name and a smile. It's a great way to break the ice and start building a connection. So remember, observe, ask, and introduce. These 3 small actions can help you start great conversations, even with complete strangers. And most importantly, smile and listen. People respond to kindness and confidence. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone learning English just like you. I'll see you in the next one. And until then, keep talking.